Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a McDonald's burger. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have fresh, high-quality components. Next, focus on preparing the beef patty precisely, as this is crucial for the signature taste. Then, assemble your burger using a specific layering technique to maximize flavor. Finally, enjoy your homemade McDonald's-style burger, crafted the only way to truly replicate the experience. The patty is key to the McDonald's burger. Start with 100% beef, ideally an 80/20 lean-to-fat ratio, for that classic juiciness. Form very thin, flat patties, weighing approximately 1.6 ounces each before cooking. Season both sides lightly with salt and pepper. Cook these thin patties quickly on a very hot griddle or cast iron skillet for about 1 minute per side, ensuring a good sear without overcooking. To assemble your burger correctly, begin by lightly toasting your bun halves until they are warm and slightly golden. Next, spread a small, precise amount of that iconic special sauce onto the bottom bun. Then, carefully add a pinch of finely diced onions and 1 or 2 pickle slices. Finally, place your perfectly cooked patty on top, followed by the crown of the bun. For the authentic finish, ensure your cheese slice melts beautifully over the hot patty, creating that gooey texture. Add a generous sprinkle of finely shredded iceberg lettuce for a fresh crunch. Serve your burger immediately to capture the warmth and freshness. This meticulous approach ensures you achieve that unmistakable McDonald's flavor and experience right in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.